If you're leading post-production at an agency, your workflow likely wasn't built for the scale and speed of 2025. Too many teams still rely on downloading files, relinking timelines, and sharing assets manually. It's not just slow, it's holding your creative team back. Every step from ingest to delivery adds friction. Think about it. There are file transfers, missing media, duplicated assets, and hours spent tracking which version is the correct and most up-to-date version. To make matters worse, multiply this by multiple clients, time zones, and collaborators, and the inefficiencies start to snowball. Now, the solution isn't just using the cloud. It's building a cloud-native workflow where your team can access and edit files from a single shared environment, in real time with no downloading required. With LucidLink, here's how that works. First, mount a shared file space that appears like a local drive on Mac, Windows, or Linux. Then drop in raw 4K footage once, and editors can start scrubbing in Premiere immediately. No waiting on their end for full downloads. With this, motion designers can open After Effects projects straight from the file space. No relinking or copying needed. Producers can export review cuts directly to Frame.io from the same centralized directory without moving files between systems. To make things even smoother, you can set role-based permissions so contractors only see what they need. Audit trails log who accessed what and when, ideal for compliance-heavy teams. Here's how to implement this workflow. Build a standardized folder structure: raw, edits, motion, review, delivery. Use consistent naming convention across all projects and teams. Configure watch folders for exports and automate previews. Keep one central source of truth, no local versions or duplicate folders. Think of the impact this could have on your team. Those that switch to a setup like this often cut feedback cycles in half and eliminate entire rounds of rework caused by missing files or mismatched versions. Less time chasing assets, more time creating. So, if your post-production workflow still relies on patchwork systems and repeated transfers, it's time to rethink the foundation. LucidLink helps creative teams build for scale without burning out the people behind the work. Subscribe for walkthroughs, templates, and real-world use cases on building creative workflows that actually flow.